Strand solid-braid nylon rope. Our solid-braid nylon rope is a premium synthetic rope, often selected for its versatility, shock absorption, and flexing endurance. Nylon rope has impressive creep resistance, meaning it will return to normal after the load is removed. Even under high levels of stress, it will maintain its strength and resist repeated flexing damage. Its firm solid braid construction is soft to the touch, holds knots well, and won't unravel even when cut. Additionally, it's highly resistant to rot and sinks in water. Solid braid nylon rope cannot be spliced, but is perfectly suited for use with Ropeze rope clamps to make eye terminations in the rope. Our customers choose solid braid nylon rope as a general purpose rope and is used in everything from animal leads to knot tying to light-duty utility pulling. Choose from sizes ranging from 1/8 to 1/2 inch diameters and spooled in 250 and 500 foot lengths. When it comes to general purpose ropes, Strand solid braid nylon rope offers peace of mind because of its versatility, shock absorption, and flexing endurance.